Hey everyone, it's Dr. Mike, and if you're watching this, you or someone you love probably has experienced those annoying, painful leg cramps. Let me tell you, you're in the right place. Leg cramps are a common problem, especially as we age, but the good news is there are natural ways to fight back. We're talking about using the power of food to prevent those cramps from ruining your day or night. Over the next few minutes, we'll unlock the secrets of 3 incredible foods that can make a real difference in your life. We'll break down the science behind why they work and give you easy tips on how to add them to your diet. So if you're ready to say goodbye to leg cramps and hello to stronger, healthier legs, stick around. First up, let's talk about bananas. You know them, you love them, but did you know they are a secret weapon against leg cramps? This is because bananas are packed with potassium. Why is potassium so important? Well, picture this. Potassium acts like a tiny messenger in your body, helping your muscles contract and relax properly. When your potassium levels are low, those messages get scrambled, leading to those dreaded cramps. Think of it like this. Your muscles are like cars, and potassium is the oil. Without enough oil, your car's engine can't run smoothly, and you might hear some unpleasant noises. The same goes for your muscles. Without enough potassium, they can't function properly, leading to cramps and spasms. So how do you make sure you're getting enough potassium? You guessed it, eating potassium-rich foods like bananas. Now, you might be wondering, how many bananas do I need to eat to keep those cramps at bay? It's a common question, and for good reason. Potassium is an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in muscle function, nerve signaling, and overall cellular health. It's a great question. The recommended daily intake of potassium for adults is around 4,700 milligrams. This might sound like a lot, but it's quite manageable with a balanced diet. A medium-sized banana provides about 422 milligrams of potassium, which is a great start. But you would need to eat about 11 bananas to meet your daily requirement, which isn't practical for most people. But remember, variety is key. Don't just rely on bananas for your potassium fix. Incorporating a range of potassium-rich foods can make it easier and more enjoyable to meet your daily needs. Other potassium-rich foods include sweet potatoes, which we'll talk about later, as they are not only delicious but also versatile in many recipes, as well as leafy greens, which are packed with nutrients and can be easily added to salads, smoothies, and various dishes. Avocados, which are not only rich in potassium but also healthy fats, and beans, which are a great source of protein and fiber. Incorporating a variety of these foods into your diet will ensure you're getting enough of this crucial mineral. It's not just about preventing cramps. Potassium also helps maintain healthy blood pressure and supports cardiovascular health. Remember, consistency is key. Don't just wait until you have a cramp to start loading up on potassium. Regular intake is essential for maintaining optimal health and preventing deficiencies. Making these foods a regular part of your diet can help prevent cramps from happening in the first place. So, next time you're planning your meals, think about how you can include a variety of potassium-rich foods to keep your body functioning at its best. Now, let's talk about how to enjoy this delicious and versatile fruit. The great thing about bananas is that they can be enjoyed in so many ways. Of course, they make a quick and easy breakfast on the go, but don't limit yourself to just breakfast. Slice some bananas over yogurt or oatmeal for a potassium-packed snack or dessert. You can even add them to smoothies for a creamy, nutritious treat. Feeling adventurous? Try grilling banana slices and drizzling them with honey for a warm and comforting dessert. The possibilities are endless. Remember, the key is to make bananas a regular part of your diet to reap the cramp-fighting benefits of potassium. So get creative and enjoy. But wait, there's more. Bananas aren't just a good source of potassium, they also contain a decent amount of magnesium, another mineral that plays a vital role in muscle function. Magnesium works in tandem with potassium to regulate muscle contractions. Think of them as a dynamic duo, working together to keep your muscles working smoothly. When your magnesium levels are low, you guessed it, muscle cramps can strike. That's why it's essential to ensure you're getting enough of both potassium and magnesium in your diet. Luckily, bananas provide a 1-2 punch of these essential minerals, making them a top choice for fighting leg cramps. You might be wondering if there's an optimal time to eat a banana for maximum cramp prevention. While there's no magic hour, incorporating them strategically throughout your day can be beneficial. Consider having a banana as part of your pre-workout snack or post-workout meal. This can help replenish potassium levels lost through sweat and prepare your muscles for activity. Having a banana before bed can also be helpful, as leg cramps are more common at night. The potassium and magnesium in bananas can help relax your muscles and promote a restful night's sleep. Ultimately, the best time to eat a banana is whenever you'll enjoy it most, and make it a consistent part of your diet. Now, let's move on to our next superfood, spinach. This leafy green powerhouse is often overlooked, but it packs a serious punch when it comes to preventing leg cramps. While bananas are known for their potassium content, spinach is a champion of magnesium. In fact, just 1 cup of cooked spinach provides a whopping 157 milligrams of magnesium, which is almost 40% of the recommended daily intake for adults. But that's not all. Spinach is also a good source of calcium, another mineral that plays a crucial role in muscle function. Calcium helps to regulate muscle contractions, ensuring that they are smooth and controlled. So, incorporating spinach into your diet is like giving your muscles a triple dose of cramp-fighting power. Let's delve a little deeper into the importance of magnesium for leg cramp prevention. Magnesium is a crucial mineral that plays a significant role in many bodily functions. It's often overlooked, but its impact on muscle health is profound. Magnesium is often referred to as the relaxation mineral because it helps to relax muscles and prevent them from becoming tight and cramped. This mineral works by interacting with muscle fibers and nerve cells, ensuring that they function smoothly. When your magnesium levels are low, your muscles are more prone to spasms and cramps. This can be particularly troublesome for seniors, athletes, and those who engage in regular physical activity. This is especially true during exercise or at night, when your body is more likely to become dehydrated. Dehydration can exacerbate the effects of low magnesium, leading to more frequent and severe cramps. Magnesium also helps to regulate electrolyte balance in your body. Electrolytes are minerals that carry an electric charge and are vital for many bodily functions, including muscle contractions and hydration. Electrolytes such as potassium, sodium, and calcium are essential for muscle function and hydration. Magnesium works in tandem with these electrolytes to ensure that your muscles contract and relax properly. When your electrolyte levels are out of whack, it can lead to muscle cramps and other issues. This imbalance can be caused by factors such as poor diet, excessive sweating, or certain medical conditions. By ensuring you're getting enough magnesium in your diet, you can help keep your muscles relaxed, your electrolytes balanced, and those pesky leg cramps at bay. Incorporating magnesium-rich foods like nuts, seeds, leafy greens, and whole grains into your meals can make a significant difference. Additionally, magnesium supplements can be a convenient way to meet your daily requirements, especially for those who may have difficulty getting enough from diet alone. Remember, maintaining adequate magnesium levels is not just about preventing cramps, it's about supporting overall muscle health and well-being. Now, you might be thinking, I'm not a huge fan of spinach. How am I supposed to eat enough of it? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Spinach is incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in countless ways. Of course, you can always go the classic route and enjoy a fresh spinach salad. Add some grilled chicken or fish for a protein boost and you've got yourself a delicious and nutritious meal. But don't stop there. Spinach can be easily incorporated into smoothies, soups, stews, and even pasta dishes. You can also sauté it with garlic and olive oil for a simple and flavorful side dish. Get creative and experiment with different ways to incorporate spinach into your diet. You might be surprised at how much you enjoy it. Beyond its impressive mineral content, spinach is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and other beneficial compounds. It's a good source of vitamin K, which is essential for bone health, as well as vitamin A, which supports vision and immune function. Spinach is also rich in antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can contribute to aging and various diseases. By incorporating spinach into your diet, you're not only giving your muscles the minerals they need to function properly, but also providing your body with a wide range of nutrients that support overall health and well-being. So make spinach your friend, and your body will thank you for it. Like bananas, there's no specific time of day that's best for consuming spinach. The key is to incorporate it into your diet regularly. However, some people find that consuming spinach earlier in the day can help prevent leg cramps later on, especially if they're prone to nighttime cramps. Consider having a spinach salad for lunch or adding a handful of spinach to your morning smoothie. This can help ensure your body has a steady supply of magnesium and other cramp-fighting nutrients throughout the day. As always, listen to your body and adjust your spinach intake based on your individual needs and preferences. All right, folks, moving on to our third leg cramp-fighting champion, sweet potatoes. You know them, you love them, but did you know they're packed with potassium? And I'm not talking about a measly amount, we're talking serious potassium power here. See, potassium is like the bouncer for your muscles, regulating those contractions and making sure they don't get out of control. When you're low on potassium, your muscles can get trigger happy, leading to those dreaded cramps. That's where sweet potatoes come in, delivering a healthy dose of potassium to keep your muscles calm, cool, and collected. No more waking up in the middle of the night with a Charlie horse, no more wincing in pain during your morning walk, just smooth, cramp-free living. So, how do you enjoy this potassium powerhouse? Let's get to it. Now, potassium isn't the only weapon sweet potatoes bring to the fight against leg cramps. They're also packing some serious anti-inflammatory action thanks to compounds like beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A. Inflammation, my friends, can be a sneaky culprit behind muscle cramps. It's like your muscles are throwing a tantrum, and those cramps are their way of getting your attention. Sweet potatoes with their anti-inflammatory superpowers can help calm those irritated muscles, reducing inflammation and the cramps that come with it. It's like giving your muscles a soothing massage from the inside out. Okay, so we know sweet potatoes are great for leg cramps, but how do you actually enjoy them? Well, the good news is sweet potatoes are incredibly versatile. You can bake them, roast them, mash them, or even spiralize them into noodles. One of my favorite ways to enjoy sweet potatoes is by simply roasting them in the oven with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of salt and pepper. It brings out their natural sweetness and creates a tender, flavorful side dish. You can also add sweet potatoes to your smoothies for a creamy boost of nutrients, or even use them in baked goods like muffins and breads. The possibilities are endless. Now, you might be wondering, is there a best time to eat sweet potatoes for optimal leg cramp prevention? While you can enjoy them any time of day, I recommend incorporating them into your dinner routine. Why dinner? Well, muscle cramps tend to be more common at night, so fueling up on sweet potatoes in the evening can help keep those cramps at bay while you sleep. Plus, the complex carbs in sweet potatoes can contribute to a feeling of fullness and satisfaction, helping you avoid those late-night cravings that could disrupt your sleep. So there you have it, folks. Sweet potatoes, a delicious and versatile weapon in the fight against leg cramps. With their potent combination of potassium, anti-inflammatory compounds, and delicious flavor, they're a must-have for anyone looking to strengthen their legs and prevent those painful cramps. Remember, a healthy diet is just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to leg health. Don't forget to stay hydrated, stretch regularly, and listen to your body. And if you're experiencing persistent or severe leg cramps, don't hesitate to reach out to your doctor to rule out any underlying medical conditions. So there you have it, our top 3 foods to help prevent leg cramps and keep your legs feeling strong and healthy. These foods are not just delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients that can make a significant difference in your daily life. By incorporating them into your diet, you can enjoy a more active and pain-free lifestyle. We talked about the potassium-packed power of bananas, which are not only great for preventing cramps, but also provide a quick energy boost. Bananas are incredibly versatile and can be added to your breakfast cereal, smoothies, or even enjoyed as a quick snack on the go. Then we explored the magnesium and calcium richness of spinach. This leafy green is a powerhouse of nutrients that support muscle function and bone health. Whether you add it to your salads, smoothies, or main dishes, spinach is a fantastic way to enhance your diet. And let's not forget the sweet relief of sweet potatoes. These root vegetables are not only delicious, but also packed with vitamins and minerals that help reduce muscle cramps and improve overall health. You can bake them, mash them, or even make sweet potato fries for a tasty treat. These foods are like the Justice League of leg health, each bringing their unique strengths to the table. By combining them, you create a balanced and nutritious diet that supports your overall well-being. Incorporating them into your diet can make a world of difference in preventing those pesky cramps and keeping you active and mobile. Regular physical activity, combined with a nutrient-rich diet, is key to maintaining strong and healthy legs. I challenge you to give these foods a try and see the difference for yourself. Start by adding one of these foods to your meals each day and gradually increase your intake. You'll be amazed at how much better you feel. Let me know in the comments below which one you're most excited to add to your plate. Share your experiences and tips with our community so we can all benefit from each other's knowledge. And as always, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family so we can all kick those leg cramps to the curb together. Your support helps us create more content that can improve your health and well-being. Don't forget, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, staying hydrated, and consulting your doctor for personalized advice are crucial for overall well-being. It's important to listen to your body and make adjustments as needed to stay healthy and active. This video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be considered as medical advice. Always seek the guidance of a qualified healthcare provider with any questions you may have regarding your health or a medical condition.